friends, welcome back to my channel SRP'S Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make KFC style chicken popcorn with easy steps. For marinating the chicken, you will need 1 kg of boneless chicken cut into small cubes, chili flakes 3 tablespoons, pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per your taste, 3 eggs, soya sauce 1.5 teaspoon, vinegar 1.5 teaspoon, cornflour 2 tablespoons. Mix it all and keep it aside for 10 minutes. For coating, take a breadcrumbs of 8 bread slices, 4 teaspoons of cornflour, chili powder 2.5 teaspoon, and salt. Now mix the marinated chicken on coating thoroughly and deep fry the chicken. Once the chicken is cooked, take it out of the vessel and plate it. KFC style chicken popcorn is ready to serve. Please do try the dish at home. Please share and like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel SRP'S Kitchen.